Impressive and highly sought after Seabrook Floor plan situated on a premium lakefront lot. Perfect home for large family gatherings. This dramatic residence features 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, second floor includes a loft area, 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. A 4-car garage, impact windows/doors and an elevator complete this amazing property. Interior design is beautifully appointed with an amazing array of upgrades including soaring ceilings, elegant French doors, second floor screened balcony. Gourmet kitchen west/custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, wall ovens and huge center island. Generous first floor master suite and lavish master bath. Custom salt water pool and spa west/rough in plumbing for your outside kitchen plans. Mockingbird Crossing boasts estate-sized lots, extra-wide streets with sidewalks on both sides, multiple lakes and fountains, close to beaches, shopping and dining and best of all low HOA fees. All that Naples has to offer and award-winning schools makes this home extra special.